Today's gonna be a good filming day because my eyebrows actually came out decent today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Wit here again with another video. So as you guys can see by the title, today we're gonna be doing a very pretty blue eye. I don't know if it's smoky, but we're gonna be doing a blue eye. I posted this look yesterday on Instagram and a lot of you guys really liked it and requested for me to just go ahead and film it. So your wish is my command. So today I'm going to be filming that video for you. I already have my brows done. We're going to go ahead and jump right on into this video. I'm going to be using the P. Louise Shadow Base in Rumor 2 to go ahead and prime my eyes. Alrighty, so I have my eyes primed, and for shadow today we're going to be using the Juvia's Place The Warrior No. 2 palette. I'm going to go into this shade right here. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into the shade right here called Hamata. Okay, I actually don't know how to say a lot of these names. Usually I do, but I don't even know what language this is. And I'm using the same brush. And I'm just gonna take another crease brush that has no product on it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out the edges. By the way, you guys should definitely like try this out. It's the Laneige lip. It's the Laneige lip sleeping mask. It's what I always have on at the beginning of like my videos or just in general. Throughout the day, if like I don't have any product on, I will always have this on my lips. Oh my gosh, it's so moisturizing. Look how much product you're getting here. Like, it is that deep. It goes all the way to the bottom. I've gone through 2 whole tubes of this. This is my 3rd one. It's only $20. We sell it at Sephora. Your lips will never be crusty. Okay, back to the regularly scheduled program. So I'm done with that palette. Now I'm gonna jump into the Nubian 2 palette. Yeah, the Nubian 2 by Juvia's Place. As you guys know, I love Juvia's Place eyeshadows. They're just amazing. I'm going to go into this shade right here called Cleopatra. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this on my lid. This is a really easy look. It's so easy to achieve. We're just going to put this on our lid. Okay, so once you put that shade on, you're going to take a blending brush. I was using this one to put on like my crease. This one's a little bit bigger. You're gonna take something a little bit smaller and you're just gonna go ahead and start blending right here in the crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my bigger blending brush that I was using to put my crease on, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend these shades together. Okay, you guys, so right now I'm going to go ahead and put on some lashes. Alrighty, so I wanted to copy this look exactly the way I did it yesterday. And yesterday I used Lily lashes in the style Mykonos. But today I'm going to actually use the Morphe lashes in So Glamorous. I only use these because, well, I work at Sephora and we're not required to wear stuff from there. But if a client asks, I mean, you're not going to tell them, oh, it's from MAC. And so I just kind of wore those just because lashes, foundation, lipstick / lip gloss, and eyeshadow are like the top questions. People always ask me, what are you wearing? And I don't like to lie to people. So if you ask me something that I'm wearing and it's not from Sephora, I really don't like to lie to you because, I mean, obviously you ask because you want it. So just to avoid myself, like, you know, being in that situation, I just try to wear stuff that we sell there. That way, if people ask, you can buy it from Sephora. But Lily lashes and Mykonos are just not dramatic enough for me. Like, they were pretty for the look yesterday, but I like my lashes big and dramatic. So we gonna be doing So Glamorous, and I'm telling y'all, these lashes are bomb. Okay, I've literally just been wearing these like crazy. So while my lashes are drying, I'm going to take the Kush Mascara by Milk Makeup. Alrighty, lashes are still drying, so I'm going to take the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and prime my face. So I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Cause I'm Black eyeliner, and I'm just going to go ahead and tightline. Okay, now y'all, we got our lashes on, we popping, but we want to make this blue way more vibrant. So I'm going to take the Stila, what is this called again? The Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Vivid Sapphire. And we're just going to go ahead and place this on our eyelid. Do y'all see this? Like, do you, ooh, child. Oh gosh. Let's do the other eye. Okay, so now we're done with eyes. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the base. For foundation today, I'm gonna be using the Beauty Blender foundation. I'm the shade 4.3 blend, or blend 4.3. Okay, now for concealer, I'm going to be using my favorite at the moment. This is the Too Faced Born This Way. Between this one and the ColourPop concealer are just my holy grails right now. I'm in the shade Warm Sand. Okay, so I'm trying this new technique that I see Makeup Shayla doing. So instead of setting my concealer, I'm going to go ahead and put on bronzer first, and I'm going to be using the AVH Mahogany bronzer. And the reason why I'm trying this is because in my last Get Ready With Me that I posted, like, my contour, in person it looked fine, but like on camera it just looked really like muddy and like dirty, even though it looks fine in person, and I just didn't like it. Oh, and then the brush I'm using is the Sephora Pro Collection brush number 79. And then I'm going to take my Sephora Collection Powder Puff, and I'm going to go into the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and set my concealer. Oh yes, we got that concealer on, boy. We're looking like we got that powder on, boy. That concealer setting, boy. We ain't gonna have no creases. I need to stop watching Kennedy Simone, okay? Like, she's like low-key addicting. I just discovered her channel yesterday, and like I've been binge watching her videos. What was I gonna do next? What the hell was I gonna do next? Oh, eyeliner. We're gonna do eyeliner next. Alrighty, so for yesterday's look, I used I believe I used this shade and then this black shade on my waterline. But today I kind of want to use blue and really just make this like a blue eye, like just really blown out. So I'm going to take this brush by Morphe. This is the M431. And I'm going to go into this Cleopatra shade. And I'm just going to smudge this all underneath my lash line. Oh, this is gorgeous. I like this better. I haven't done blue eyeshadow on my channel in almost like 2 years. I remember the last blue eye that I did, I got so much hate, like, not from like my subscribers, but like I got reposted on like one of these I don't know, like one of these pages that just like repost like black makeup artists, and they were mean AF to me. They were mean. Oh, okay, real quick, I almost forgot to do my nose contour. So I used to never contour my nose, but I've been kind of liking it. So I just start from like where my brows are at, and I just go down. Kiki, do you love me? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and sweep off this excess powder. Ladies, leave your man at home. The club is full of ballers and their pockets full of chrome. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder in number 5. And this is the Morphe M401 brush. And I'm just gonna put this all over my face. Y'all, this is what really just be giving me like that really pretty glow. I kind of want to do more to my under eye. I don't feel completely satisfied. Like, I like this blue, but I want to do more. I don't know. I think I want to add black. I be trying so hard not to add black, but y'all, I just love it. So I'm going to actually go into the Warrior 2 palette, and I'm going to take the shade Shawata, however you say it. And I'm taking the Morphe M432 brush, and I'm just going to smudge. I need a close brush. I'm going to go ahead and smudge this under here. Okay, for blush, I'm going to take the Makeup Geek blushes. This is the shade Rendezvous, and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of Soulmate. And this brush is the Morphe E4. I'm just going to go ahead and place this on my cheeks. Okay, I kind of went a little heavy-handed with the blush, but that's because, y'all, blush fades, okay? And I really did go heavy-handed with it, but it's okay. So now I'm going to take my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and we're just going to go ahead and spray the... So I'm going to go ahead and finish filling in the rest of my eyebrows. I'm going to take the Foolproof Brow Powder in number 5. Oh, and then what I did use to do the actual body of my brow was the ABH Brow Pomade in Ebony. And I clean up my brows using the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC50. Okay, now for highlight, I'm going to be using, this is a throwback right here, okay? It's the Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow Powder in... Oh, it's the Bobbi Brown highlighting powder in Bronze Glow. I think I'm gonna put on more highlighter though. Like, I like this by itself, and this is how I wore it yesterday, but I just want to spruce it up. So I'm gonna take the Artist Couture X Jackie Aina highlighter in La Peach. Just a little bit, because this is peachy and I don't want that much. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on bottom mascara. And then this is the final product. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Medium Deep Loose Setting Powder. This is the Glow. So they have their regular powder that you set your face with, and this one has like a shimmer to it. It can be used just as like highlight. I personally like to put it all over my face, y'all. This powder will literally transform your complexion. Yes, honey. Yo. Y'all be cracking myself. Like me, myself, and I, we be getting lit here, okay? We be turning up. We be having fun. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my face one final time. I feel like I was just baptized in holy water. Whew. Okay, I might actually spice up my lip combo. So I did something. I'm gonna try something out. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the NYX lip liner. Okay, so I have my lip liner on. I'm gonna take MAC lipstick in Sis. All right, and then I'm gonna take this Maybelline Vivid Hot Lip Lacquer in... No, this is not the shade that I want. Is this the shade that oh, y'all, this is the shade. Shoot, I was right. Okay, it's called Unreal. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this all over. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna take the Maybelline Shine Shot Gloss because I really want this to be glossy. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I really like the way it looks. I think I like it better than what I did yesterday. It's really pretty. I'm actually, every time I film, it's like I'm always on my way to church. I wasn't expecting to redo this, but you guys really liked it, so I was like, okay, well, I'll go ahead and film it today. But yeah, I'm actually on my way to church. Yes, I got the shoulders out, you know. Hopefully God sends me my Boaz today while I'm at church. You know, he just sees me. He's like, that's my Ruth. And I'm like, you're my Boaz. Come here. Y'all, my jokes are corny and I don't care, okay? You guys will just learn to love it, okay? Anyways, I hope you guys like this video, and until next time. Oh, I almost forgot. Make sure you guys comment down below what type of videos you would like to see, and also yeah, comment down below and just leave comments. Like I like chit-chatting, okay? I reply, you know. And then make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. That way you're always updated on what I'm doing, you know, and we can talk more there. Like, you know, we can chit-chat some more. So until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.